Jules says you have big balls, and I guess you do. Jesus Christ, they are huge, aren't they? They're monstrous. Really? They grow in the heat? Really?
You're talking about balls?
Yeah.
And let me tell you,
Nothing bothers me. I don't care, you know?
I just touched them the other day. I never touched them ever. It's
Really?
disgusting. Yeah.
Why, are they sweaty?
No, they just
They
feel
sweaty balls?
They feel so
They're
heavy
sweaty.
that you can't believe how and
Like cantaloupes?
yes,
Really? Come here. Let me feel your balls.
they're huge.
Prostate exam. Come on, turn your head and cough. Turn your head and cough.
Oh my God. They're not like men's balls, I'll tell you that.
No? I'm not big on them right now either, so.
Well, I know, but I was saying, they don't feel like men's balls. I was like, let me just
I've
touch
been
it.
there, done that. Come on, we gotta zoom in on the nuts. So how do they castrate? I mean, I know how we castrate dogs and cats. How do they castrate horses? They do barbaric stuff to them? They don't knock them out, do they?
What?
Yeah.
They do?
Yeah.
All right, you know, when I had to take my vet tech exam, they took us up to a barn in upstate New York, and they were showing us, like, you know, the emasculators and stuff. I was like, okay, give me a number 10 blade and some ketamine, and I'm good to go. Let's see your balls. Oh, there we go. Okay. You'll be a big hit on the Melissa
Bring
Etheridge
that out
board.
at a party.
Exactly. Oh, no, you know, my